Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I want to give you a reminder from J Dolls UK and I that the upcoming Sugar Skull Challenge for our Dolls Gone Goth is coming up on May 16th. And you can upload anything at all, any doll, any type of doll, any size of doll, we don't care, we just love seeing it. They can be the Day of the Dead dolls that are already painted and dressed beautifully that you just want to show off, because we'd love to see those. Or you can dress your doll simply in a little outfit like I've done here. All you do is upload your video on May 16th with the hashtag DollsGoneGothSugarSkulls. And it's great if you use that hashtag, because it should bring more viewers and possible subscribers to your channel. People go and they put that hashtag in, or they click on it, the hashtag, at the last channel they visited, and then they can see all of the videos. Thank you for participating. Thank you, Jay. This has been so much fun with the Dolls Gone Goth. And thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.